addition and subtraction up to 10. Now in your small KG classes, you must have done counting of numbers. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Arham?
ma'am.
Yes, Ayat?
Which page number?
Page number 33, maths book. Arham, if you're not feeling well, child, you can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
If you're not feeling well, then you can leave. Okay?
Excuse me, मैम एक बार पेज नंबर को फिर से रिपीट कर सकती
Page
हैं?
number 33. Right, so page number 33. Maths book, page number 33. Ready, all of you? All right. Now look at the beautiful birds made over there. You have some pictures. You have to count the pictures and then you have to write the numbers there. So when you count something, for example, look at me, all of you. Look at me, all of you. See what I have in my hand. I got one, two pens in this hand. Can you see? I've got two pens in my right hand and I've got two pens in my left hand. Can you see? Give me a thumbs up if you can see. All right. Now, Shubh, can you count the pens here? Shubh, can you count the number of pens?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubh, can you count the number of pens? Say the numbers. One, one,
One,
two.
two,
शुभ मेरी तरफ देखिए, मेरे हाथ में क्या है?
two,
मेरे हाथ में देखिए क्या है शुभ, ये काउंट करना है आपको। शुभ जो मेरे हाथ में है वो काउंट करना है आपको बेटे। सामने देखिए स्क्रीन पर। वन, वन, टू। Yes, two pens in this hand. Now, in my left hand, how many pens? Again, one, two. I got two pens here and I got two pens here. Now, all together, how many pens? Two pens in my right hand, two pens in my left. How many pens all together? Vinaya, can you count?
four.
Vinaya, count.
Four.
Four pens. One, two, three, four. So I got four pens here in my hand. So this, when we put things together, जब हम चीज़ों को जोड़ते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं addition. We call that addition, to add. सब चीज़ साथ में करके add कर देना. For example, I have 5 fingers in this hand, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when I put all these together, I count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So together, I got 10 fingers. You also have 10 fingers. Let me see. Let me see your 10 fingers. Wriggle them. Wriggle your fingers. This is called wriggling. This is called wriggling. Hassan, wriggle your fingers. Let me see. Hassan is feeling sleepy. Okay, so we got 10 fingers. Now, since you know what is addition, it means to put together. Addition means putting together. And the sign that we use for addition is plus sign. All of you do this. Take both your index fingers. Take both your index fingers. These are your index fingers. Show me your index fingers and make a plus sign. All of you make a plus sign and like this. These two fingers and the plus sign. Manjeet, maths period है. Maths की book निकालिए.
Ma'am.
This is the plus sign. Vali, come on, let me see your plus sign. All right, this is the plus sign. So now we have the picture of the beautiful birds here. The first picture you have two birds Then you have the plus sign, and again you have three birds. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, look at the beautiful pictures given here. See, you have the lovely lollipops in the first picture. Ayat Fatima Rizvi, can you count the lollipops over there?
Ma'am, page number.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In the first box, you have how many lollipops? Can you count it? Tell me.
Ma'am, page number.
5.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Aram?
May I?
Yes. Count the lollipops in the second box, Aram.
3, ma'am.
3. Okay. So 5 lollipops in one box, 3 in the other. So all together we get how many? The answers given over
8,
there?
ma'am.
8. The answers given over there? 8. Now the next picture, you have the beautiful sunflowers. Ayat Haider.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manjeet?
Yes, ma'am. Page number.
Page number 33.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Ayat Haider, can you count the flowers?
Yes, ma'am.
Please count the flowers, the
Flower.
second picture. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
3. So we write over there 3. The first box flowers, they are 3 in number. So all of you write over there 3. All of you write there 3. Now Ayat, continue. Count the next box flowers. The flowers in the
1,
next
2,
box.
3.
1, 2, 3. Again 3. Okay. So right there also 3. Now all together how many flowers are there, Ayat?
6.
6. That's right. 3 plus 3 makes it 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put over there 6 in the box. All of you done it? Give me a thumbs up when you finish. Okay, very good. Omash, the next one. You have the hats over there. Nice hats. Come on, Omash. Count the hats, child.
Ma'am, 10.
Count the hats in the first square first.
Ma'am, 6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So write over there number 6, all of you. Under the picture of 6 hats, you write 6.
Ma'am, 4.
And the next Anna says 4. So write 4 over there. Okay, Manjeet, how many hats all together?
Ma'am,
Manjeet,
10.
Manjeet, how many hats all together?
Yes, ma'am.
How many hats all together? There are 6 hats. There are 6 hats in the first square, 4 in the second. सब मिला के total कितनी hats है?
10.
10. That's right. Put over there 10 children. Give me a thumbs up when you finish so that we can continue. All right. Aradhya, count the chicks in the first square.
2.
2. Okay, so children write over there 2, all of you. Ria, count the chicks in the second square.
Ma'am, 5.
5. Very good. So write over there 5. Hassan, you have to count the chicks over there. Are you counting? See these beautiful small little chicks there. All right, Hardik, how many chicks all together?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Very good. 2 plus 5 makes it 7. So write over there 7, all of you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, Ane.
पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
Ane, we are doing page number 33. This picture. We are on this sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, Rishita. The next picture, you have ants over there. The first square. Count the number of ants in the first square. Rishita, can you hear me? Rishita, can you hear me, child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Count the number of ants in the first
Yes,
square.
ma'am.
How many ants in the first square?
2.
2. That's right. So put over there number 2, children. The box below that, put over there 2. Sanvi, count the number of ants in the next square. Sanvi. Sanvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Count the number of ants in the second square, child.
2.
2. Okay. So write over there 2. All together, how many ants? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together, 4. Yes, that's right. Ishanvi and Shubha showing with their fingers. Very good. So write over there number 4. After the equal to sign, write 4. Remember we have done equal to sign? Equal to sign हम लोग ने करा था ना? याद है? Come on.
Ma'am.
Now we are learning signs in the sign language. Yes? We are learning sign in the sign language. This is equal to, this is plus. Right? Okay. Now count the next picture. Hassan, come on, you count the next picture. You have the coconut water there. Beautiful picture of the coconut water. See? There's a green coconut. Come on, Hassan, count.
1.
1. Okay. All of you put number 1 there. Ali, Ali, in the second picture, how many coconuts are there?
2.
In the second picture, 1 in the first picture, the second picture also 1. Together they are 2. 1 plus 1 makes it 2. So equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Children, make sure you put the date on this page, please. Page 33, put today's date, 12/7/2021. Now turn the page. Come to page number 34. You have some more pictures given over there, and it says we can add the numbers in any order. Yes, Sanvi?
Ma'am, yes, sir.
Page number
Ma'am,
34.
repeat कर दीजिए.
The last sum that we did on page 33, the coconuts, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Got it? All right.
Ma'am, पेज नंबर कौन सा खोलना है?
Page number 34 now. Page number 34, children. Now you have the first box, there are green fish, and in the second box, there are red ones. Let's count them. 1, put your finger there and count. Put your finger there, all of you. 1, 2, 3. So you have number 3 written there. And then you have the plus sign. You have the plus sign in between. And then next box has 1, 2. 2 fishes. So together we have how many? Let's count and see. Hassan, come on, count. The last square there, rather rectangle. लास्ट वाला रेक्टेंगल हसन, उसमें काउंट करिए कितनी फिश आपको दिख रही है. हसन, पुट योर फिंगर देयर. लास्ट वाला जो रेक्टेंगल है इसमें कितनी फिशेस हैं? 3 + 2 = काउंट करिए, फिंगर रख के काउंट करिए. मम्मी से बोलिए वहां से हट जाए, अपने आप करिए.
मैम 5.
5. यू हैव टू डू इट योर सेल्फ. पेंसिल आपके हाथ में होनी चाहिए. आपके साथ कौन है? मम्मी है? हसन, मम्मी इज देयर? You have to do the work, okay? Next picture, Ria. Next picture. The first rectangle. See the green fish count there. 1.
Ma'am 2.
2. That's right. Vaishnavi, count the red ones. 2 plus, and then how many are there? Vaishnavi. Alright, Shanvi, you count. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So all together, Anya, how many are there in the last square? You can see 2 + 3 = Anya, count. Yes, Anya. Count and see how many in the last one. Anya.
Yes.
All right. 5. Everybody showing with their hands. 5. Okay. Now listen carefully. Yes, Anya, I got the answer. 5. Right. Now children, look carefully at the pictures. First picture, green fish. Look at this. You have 3 and then you have 2. 3 + 2 = 5. अब नीचे वाले को देखिए. 2 + 3 = 5. If your numbers are the same, अगर आपने नंबर्स को आगे पीछे लिख दिया कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन नंबर वही है. सी, यहाँ पर 3 + 2 है, यहाँ पर 2 + 3 है. यस, दिस इज द रीजन वाई आंसर आपका सेम होगा. यू कैन ऐड इन एनी ऑर्डर, किसी भी ऑर्डर में आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. नाउ लुक एट योर फिंगर्स. शो मी योर फिंगर्स. Right hand 2 fingers, right hand 2 fingers, right hand 2 fingers. Okay, your right hand 2 and then 3 in your left. Count करिए कितनी हो गई. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up quickly. Okay, now we change. 2 fingers on the left and 3 on the right. 2 on the left, 3 on the right. Come on, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is the same. Yes or no? Yes or no? Answer is the same. So we can write numbers in any order, but your answer will be the same, right? Now let's add with numbers. अभी तक आपको पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करके वहाँ पर दी थी. अब पिक्चर्स नहीं है, ओनली नंबर्स आते हैं. Now you have to add the numbers, children. Look at the first sum. These are called sums. The first sum, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. All together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Now, supposing we say 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 4. Come on, show me the fingers quickly. 4 plus 5. Ishanvi, pay attention, child. Manjeet, pay attention. अभी हमने करा 5 plus 4. The answer was 9. Now we are going to do 4 plus 5. Let's count and see if your answer is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is the answer same? Answer same? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, your answer is the same. 5 plus 4 करें या 4 plus 5 करें, numbers are the same. So your answer will be the same. Now look at the next sum. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 7 को अपने mind में रखिए. Put 7 here. Show me your little this index finger. Say 7 in the mind. All of you say, Rishita, 7 in the mind, 1 on the finger. Adhiraj, 7 in the mind, 1 on your finger. 7 in your mind, 1 on your finger. 7 यहाँ पर है, 7 के आगे हमें एक 1 और ऐड कर देना है उसमें. So after 7 comes 8. After 7 comes 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now look at the next one. 7 plus 1 8 होता है. अगर हम उसको दूसरी तरह से लिखेंगे तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? जैसे 5 plus 4 9 हुआ, फिर हमने 4 plus 5 लिखा, that is also 9.
4 plus 7.
इसी तरह 7 plus 1 8 हो गया. तो नेक्स्ट सम में हम कैसे लिखेंगे जिससे हमारा आंसर फिर से 8 आए? सोचिए.
1 plus
इनाया
1 plus 7.
1 plus 7.
1 plus 7. 1 plus.
Children, I cannot share the screen. I cannot use the board also because now you have to understand like this. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. उसी को हम दूसरी तरह से लिखेंगे 1 plus 7. So first you will write like this. See, I am showing it to you. Look here. 1. Children, look here. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. Got it? Now add and see. Your answer comes to 8. 7 में 1 में 7 ऐड करेंगे तो 8 आएगा. All right. Now moving further. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes, 6. Right over there, 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is same as Omansh. got 1 over there?
Yes, ma'am. मैम मेरी बुक में भी 1 है.
Okay, you've got
मैम मेरी बुक में भी
you have 6 plus 1.
मैम 2 होगा.
Children, what is the sum that you have in your book?
7, ma'am. And 6 plus 1.
Okay, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Right over there, 7. Done it? Now, Omansh, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 is same as, next line, what are we going to write?
Ma'am 1.
1 plus
6.
1 plus 6. Very good. 1 plus 6 is equal to
7.
7. That's right. So all of you write there 7. Yes, Ronik?
ma'am.
Yes, Ronik?
Ma'am.
Yes, you will do the next one. Just a second. 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3, Ronik?
8.
Okay, 8. So all of you write over there 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 is same as, जब हम उसी सम को दूसरी तरह से लिखेंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा रोनिक?
8, ma'am.
3 plus 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. उसी सम को हमें दूसरी तरह से लिखना है. इस बार हम 3 आगे लिखेंगे plus 5. Okay? So children write 3 plus 5.
Okay.
Look here. 3 plus 5. Can you see?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I go to the washroom?
Yes, I am.
Thank you, ma'am.
3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Alright, Shivansh, the next sum.
Yes, ma'am.
The next sum, 4 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 count. 4 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. 4 बड़ा नंबर है, उसको माइंड में रखना सीखिए. बड़े नंबर्स को माइंड में रखेंगे. If you want to count on your fingers, you can count on your fingers also. Come on, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So all together, how many, Shivansh?
Ma'am, 6.
6. That's right. So put over there 6, all of you. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is same as. Up next, 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 या हम करें 2 plus 4. Right? 2 plus 4. Second line, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6 again. Visual, the last sum, 2 plus 8. Visual, the last sum, child, 2 plus 8. 8 बड़ा नंबर है तो 8 को हम माइंड में रखेंगे. 10. Okay, 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Right. Now is same as. उसी सम को हम दूसरी तरह से कैसे कर सकते हैं? 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 is same as 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. उसी सम को हम 8 plus 2 करके लिख सकते हैं. Write it like this. 8 plus 2. Got it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Please. 5. प्लस 3 का आंसर बता दीजिए।
8, the last one is 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10.
No, ma'am. 5
Yes,
plus 3.
5 plus 3, 8.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now children, you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. Thank you.